Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to study about lipids part 4. In the last video we studied about glycerolipids. In this video we'll study about galactolipid, sulfolipid and archaebacterial ether lipids. So first, galactolipids and sulfolipids. So these lipids are the predominant lipids found in the membranes of plant cells, specifically found in the chloroplast thylakoid membrane. Now, here also the backbone is of glycerol because, as I said, until the name is Fingo, in all other cases, the backbone should be of glycerol. So it has a glycerol backbone. Now, in this case, C1 and C2 same, linked with fatty acid. In C3, it contains galactose unit because the name itself is saying galacto. In glycerophospholipid, we have phosphate linked with some alcohol. Here, we'll have one or more galactose unit. Here, this is the example of monogalactosyl diacyl glycerol. That means with carbon number 1 and carbon number 2, it is fatty acids. That means ester linkages. With carbon number 3, galactose is present. Monogalactosyl. That means single galactose is present. So when galactose is present, that means the bond is glycosidic bond because galactose is a sugar molecule. So this is an example of galactolipid. This is another example of galactolipid, that is digalactosyl diacyl glycerol. Again, everything is same, but here two galactose molecules are present. Here rest all same, but with the galactose sulfate is present. So this is an example of sulfolipid. Now, what is the main difference between glycerophospholipid and these galactolipids and sulfolipids? Here, phosphate is not present. Phosphate is absence, and these are found where? Abundant in plant cell. Why? During evolution, or why nature selected lipids without phosphate in case of plant? Because phosphate or phosphorus is a limiting nutrient in case of plant. So plant want to save it for other important function. Therefore, during the course of evolution, they selected to make lipids without phosphate so that the available phosphates can be used for other important works. That's why in plant, galactolipids and sulfolipids are found. So now it is very easy for you to remember which kind of lipids are found in which type of animals. If it is an animal cell, then which kind of lipids you will find in the membrane. If it is a plant cell, then which kind of lipids you will find in their membrane. Everything, whatever present in the nature is present because of some functions. So if you know that function, or if you know the reason behind that why such things in such form found in a nature, then it will be easy for you to memorize or remember things. Now next is Archaebacterial contain unique membrane lipids. The unique thing is ether linked. Now why Archaebacteria contain this? Because Archaebacteria means they live in extreme conditions. Extreme condition means high temperature, low temperature, high pH, etc. So these are extreme conditions. So in the extreme conditions, in these extreme situations, ester bond can easily be broken down. But the ether linkages are the stronger linkages compared to ester linkages. Therefore, to maintain the stability, they have lipids that are ether linked and not ester linked, because ether bonds are stronger bonds compared to the ester bond. So in these extreme conditions, ester bonds are more likely to be broken down. So this is an example. This is a glycerol backbone connected with diphenyl group. Again, the group is connected with glycerol and that is connected with glycerol phosphate. So this is an ether linkage. This is a ether linkage. Here this one is ether linkage and here this one is ether linkage. So 4 ether linkage are present. So therefore these compounds are commonly known as glycerol because of this first glycerol, dialkyl because this group is an alkyl group. So this is first alkyl, this is the second alkyl. So dialkyl, then again this is second glycerol and the 4 ether linkages. So hence they called as glycerol dialkyl glycerol tetraethers. So why Archaebacteria contain ether link? Because they live in extreme conditions and ether bonds are stronger compared to the ester bonds. So in such extreme conditions, ester bonds are much likely to be broken down. Now, one question from my end for you all, that is, which type of lipids do you think should be present in the membrane of thermoplasma volcanium? Thermo means, volcanium means. So this is the hint for your answer. Do let me know in the comment section. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the next video notification. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.